It is all about ChatGPT. Okay, let's go into the other LLMs, how it will generate or not. Like ChatGPT is working very well in the prompt writing skill. Let's take other LLMs whether it will capable or not to generate the prompts for our requirements. I will take fastly. Okay, I will copy the user's message without any changes, adding new line scatters where appropriate. Okay, let's see. It is not quite uh, personalized than ChatGPT. Okay, now I will copy this prompts in the other LLMs. Let's check it out. It will capable or not in generating the prompts for that. Yeah, it is generated some three versions of prompt writing here. Yeah, it's good, right? I have told psychology of humans generated three prompts. The Gemini, it is good, right? So if I will take second method, that is, but you have to know some user experience in that. So you can see here, it is also suggest me the better version of my prompt here, like ChatGPT done, but it is has some s- not effective as ChatGPT. You can see here. You can see here, right? The prompts here, but you can see the Gemini's prompt. There is not that much of effectiveness and detail in that. You can see here Gemini.ai when compared to the ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to the third method. I'll just copy fastly to check whether the other LMs are work well or not. It is also some question. Gemini also asking some questions. After I provide the answers, okay, I will just copy this and we'll check the output is. Yeah, you can see it is not uh, that much the output is. You can see here after it asking questions to me, right? Ideal customers or how is competitor, all those things. It also generated the prompt itself only. But you can see here, if you observe here, the prompts are not well written and very effective when compared to ChatGPT here. You can see the prompts are very structured and very effective manner with a detailed explanation in the prompt, and with using act as a persona prompt pattern when compared to the Gemini, right? You can observe you have that is a capability of ChatGPT that have. Okay, that's why I recommend use ChatGPT to write the effective prompts from AI. Okay, because Gemini is not, it is a search engine chatbot, right? It has some other capabilities rather than ChatGPT, right? And Cloud, ChatGPT are not a search engine. Okay, ChatGPT has some new features like search engine. It now comes, right. It has some new feature that we can search in the ChatGPT directly as a search engine. But it is before this search engine feature have the ChatGPT is a simple language model. Okay, it is trained by different prompt patterns in which we can use the effective prompt patterns and we get the effective prompts. But Gemini is like search engine chatbot. Okay, so in that case, we cannot use this prompt patterns. We cannot use to write the effective prompt pattern. Okay, for that we will use that chat GPT to write the best prompt. You can see here, practically you can observe these outputs, right, when compared to the chat GPT. So let's take Cloud. Let's check it out with chat GPT. I will roughly just call, I will use this same prompt on all LLMs samely, exactly same time, and we will see. Okay, let's take another prompt here. That is first method. You can see here the prompt one it will generating. Yeah, it is even more detailed when compared to ChatGPT. Wow, it's great, right? Yeah, let's see other LLM. That is Perplexity.ai. Mm, yeah, it is also good, but I will explain all these things. Yeah, that is the power of search engines, LLMs, and other language models. So when compared to this, you can see here the first method prompt is we have generated some prompt, different versions of prompt. You can see here that is a ChatGPT. This is a ChatGPT prompt. When come when you if you see the same output from Claude, even you can see here act as a senior consumer psychology research with 20 years of experience in the behavioral economics and marketing. So if you see it is not okay, it will taking the best, it is going in the specific, right? You can see it is more detailed when compared to ChatGPT one. You can see here the prompt, but if you observe the Cloud uh, prompt, you will see here it has more detail when compared to ChatGPT, right? There is second prompt here, and this is a third prompt here. It is have some more information, detailed information used in prompt when compared to the ChatGPT. But um, if you see, these three prompts have act as a persona prompt pattern, but Cloud have only starting one, right? Act as a senior consumer psychology researcher. In the other two prompts, it is simply without using the act as a persona prompt pattern. It is just written the prompt to do the task, in which we can lag that. Okay. So for that, even if you check this, compare these two, Cloud and ChatGPT, so we can come the this ChatGPT has great features to generate a effective prompt, right? Even you can Cloud also have some great features, but even you can use this extra information to include the in this prompt here. So as so you have to use act as a persona prompt pattern should, okay, you have to use this prompt pattern to get the best input, best output from the AI. So for that, use this prompt only from ChatGPT, but include this information in which it can lacks here. Okay, otherwise it is fine. ChatGPT is fine for that. Sometimes Cloud okay, but it is a the this prompts ChatGPT prompts are specific one. Okay, why we have tell the AI only to generate prompts for psychology in humans, but the Cloud has generated in the research area. For that, the prompt detail should be goes to the marketing research purpose instead of going the specific one for psychology of humans. That you can analyze it. That how the ChatGPT is more personalized and very specific to our task to generate the best output. For that, we will use ChatGPT to write the best effective prompts. That is, the ChatGPT is more powerful than other language models. In this case, we're writing the prompts for different use cases. But other language models have their own strength and advantages in other aspects of use cases. Okay, you have seen these two language models, Cloud and ChatGPT. Now we will see the Gemini Perplexity.ai Microsoft. How the output is. If you think the Gemini Microsoft Copilots or search engine, if you analyze the output from this, you will see the same structure and the output are same for for three, Gemini, Microsoft and Perplexity. These three generated the output in same manner. How? Let's see. You can see the first method of prompt is it is generated the three different versions of prompt here. Develop, analyze, create. In this, there is no reasoning or there is no act as a personal prompt pattern and detail as much. Same like you can see the Microsoft Copilot also. You can see here the prompt one. analyze, examine, explore. There is no act as a person or prompt pattern used. And you can see the perplexity.ai. Even you can see here perplexity.ai also not using the act as a person or prompt pattern or other prompts like in detail as much. You will see the only the explore, analyze, investigate. So if you observe these three LLMs like Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Perplexity.ai, they are not good at writing the prompts. Why? Because this LLM's purpose is other. Purpose is different from language models. How? This is the search engine chatbot. Microsoft Copilot is also search engine chatbot. Even Perplexity.ai also works like a search engine in the researching purpose, in the show generating the output based on the user requirement by providing source of data it has taken. Okay, so it is the not a purpose, the actual purpose of this language model is to summarize the research topics or providing the source it has taken the data from it. So these three modules purpose is different. That's why the language model not deep in the prompt engineering, right, in the prompt. But when compared to Chat GPT and Cloud, these are not the search engine based. These are the language NLP based and trained data. Okay, with their own techniques, pattern techniques. But when compared to Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity.ai, they are current up-to-date data. These three language models use their uh, online resources like websites, datas, forums, YouTubes, all those things. But when compared to Cloud and ChatGPT, they are trained on data. They are trained by different prompt patterns. In that case, the AI is now how to write the best prompt for language models by using prompt patterns. In this case, the AI is used act as a personal prompt pattern that you can see in the ChatGPT and Cloud only. And other all LLMs like Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity.ai, they are not used the any prompt pattern and the prompts also not in detail. Why? These are the search engine chatbots. They don't have the that much of knowledge. They know about the psychology of human knowledge, but they are not good at writing the prompts. Okay, for that, as I said, these two language models, Cloud and ChatGPT, is good at writing the prompt, but ChatGPT is more personalized and specific in generating the prompts for requirements. I hope you understand this difference of this LLM's capabilities and in the use cases, in the prompt writing use case. Okay, I hope you understand this five different types of LLMs. So this one case is well for the ChatGPT and Cloud. Okay, even you can try it by yourself with the different use cases. Okay, not only in the prompt, even you can write the image prompt. Yes, you are image. What is the image prompt? If you using the image generation tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Lexica.ai, Ideogram AI, so in which you will get the image, right, according to our prompt. Even you can tell AI to generate the image prompt. Okay, so just you have to tell AI you are experienced a prompt image prompt writer in the field of psychology of humans. Even you can tell anything, cartoon, lion cartoon, or you can go animal cartoon image prompt writer. You can go specific in that. Now your task is to generate best 2 to 3 different versions of image prompts for AI image generator. Like that you can go it. Okay, it will generate three. You can use three different methods. So what I suggest to while writing the prompt for image generation is use this third method, that is ask me subdivided questions, in which the AI will ask you different questions regarding the image you want, right? So just you provide the requirements that you need, that you are looking in the image, right? So just provide the how your image should look like, required image should look like, uh, provide that answers for the image for the AI, for the questions that AI asked to you, and it will generate the image prompt. Just use that prompt in language models, image generation language models, and you can get the image that you want. Instead of writing the prompt by yourself, the ChatGPT can help you to write that. Okay, so it is all about foundational level, basic level. You can change your prompt by according to requirements. That is the power of using the LLMs to write your prompts. I hope you understand. So, and remember one thing, don't rely on these prompts generated by AI. It is all about how you use it. Okay, it is all about how you use it in your workspace. All about that. Okay, so this is all about using different LLMs to write effective prompts. So I recommend only use Claude or ChatGPT to generate a best prompt. And in other use cases, the other language models works well. Might be right. You have to choose by yourself. You have to test the all language models to do particular task. After that, go by yourself. As I said, these three, Perplexity, Microsoft, Gemini, or the search engine based are like that. So in that cases, you have to use that, and some personalization and brainstorming ideas, and writing the best effective prompts. You can use this Cloud and ChatGPT. In that case, ChatGPT is more personalizing when compared to the Cloud. Okay. So I hope you understand this lecturer very well. Okay. In next module, we will see some effective prompting tools like the ChatGPT have their own playground. We will explore that playground also, and we will see other any techniques. Okay,